The Everpure TFC-RO filter cartridge EV927370 is a robust replacement cartridge designed for use in Pentair Everpure ROM II or III reverse osmosis drinking water systems. This filter cartridge effectively reduces contaminants like lead, total dissolved solids, and harmful cysts such as Cryptosporidium and Giardia, ensuring safe drinking water. With its quick-change technology, the Everpure TFC-RO makes filter replacement a simple and fast process, minimizing downtime. Boasting a substantial capacity of 500 gallons, equivalent to 3,785 bottles of water, this filter can last up to 2 to 3 years with average water conditions. Proudly made in the USA, the Everpure TFC-RO features a commercial-grade metal container that guards against splitting or bursting. Pentair's Everpure TFC-RO filter cartridge offers a reliable and high-quality solution for maintaining clean and safe drinking water in your home.